Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can manage your recommendation on Instagram Reels by specifying keywords you don't want Instagram to recommend. If you're new here on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone and Android, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're browsing through your Instagram Reels and you've seen a video where you don't want it to recommend, then let me show you how to do this. So browse through Instagram Reels and select the video which you don't want to be recommended. Next, tap on the three lines here at the bottom right. Now tap on Not Interested. Once you tap on that, you'll get this menu here. From this menu, you want to go ahead and select Don't Suggest Post with Certain Words. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here you can specify words which you don't want to be presented in Instagram Reels. So for example, I'll put down Canon. To add more words, you want to go ahead and tap on the comma, space, and then add another word. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top. And now Instagram won't suggest posts with captions that have those items. So there you go. That is how you can manage your recommendation on Instagram Reels by specifying keywords you don't want to see. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.